Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Blooming Jelly's white sweater. So it's got quite a big boat neck that's actually quite structured. So it's similar to this, but there is actual like structure to it. So we'll see what that looks like. A little bit off the shoulder. Ooh, cute detail on the sleeve. It tapers just slightly at the very bottom to give it some shape. So let's try it on to see what it looks like. Okay, so this, it could be, oh, okay, I see. That's pretty cool. So it gives it like, you know, a little bit of a defined neck that kind of goes into these ruffles a little bit. Over here, I got the sleeve, nice and tapered. There is a little bit of breathing room over here, but then once again, it tapers just slightly over here to give it a little bit, as I said, a feel. I wonder if this could be like tight. Oh yeah, so it could be tight across there as well. And it gives it almost like a different look to this immediately. So to purchase this, there's a link below, and I will see you in the next video. And also make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this sweater. Okay, see ya.